Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide form fields in Jotform. This is a really useful feature when you need to keep certain fields active in the background for automation or data collection, but don't want them visible to people filling out your form. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main Jotform workspace. Now, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a list of all the forms you've created and have access to. Now, scroll through your list of forms and locate the specific form where you want to hide a field. Once you've found it, click on Edit Form to open the form builder. This is where you'll be able to customize and make changes to your form's structure and visibility settings. With your form now open in the editor, locate the field you want to hide. This could be any type of field, whether it's a text box, drop-down, email field, or anything else. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that field. This will open up a context menu with several options for managing that specific field. From the context menu that appears, look for and select the option labeled Hide. Clicking this will immediately hide the field from public view. You'll notice that at the bottom of the field, a message now appears stating, "This field is hidden and will not be seen on the form." This confirms that the field is no longer visible to anyone filling out your form, but it's still active in the background for any data processing or automation you have set up. To make sure everything looks correct and the field is truly hidden, click on Preview Form in the top right corner of the form builder. This will open a live preview of your form as it will appear to users. Just wait a few seconds for the preview to fully load. Once it's loaded, you can scroll through and confirm that the hidden field is no longer visible anywhere on the form. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a form field in Jotform, keeping your form clean and streamlined while still maintaining the functionality you need behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.